Hello, good morning K1 class. Here's Miss Pamela with a new video in which we're going to work with our homework notebook. Yes! Go for your homework notebook, K1. It's the yellow one. Perfect! So K1, today we're going to review means of transportation. Are you ready? Perfect! So let's open our book on page 40. Open your book on page 40. Let's find this page. Very good. Now look at the page. What do we have here, K1? What is this? An airplane. Yes, airplane. Repeat. Airplane. 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 Yes. So, what we're going to do is that we're going to take our colors and crayons and we're going to color the drawing of the airplane. Very good. You can use different colors or crayons, K1. Very good. Well, guys, this is all for this video. Have a nice day. Now it's your turn to do your airplane, and you're going to do an excellent job. So, see you soon, K1. Goodbye.